Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan Nair, and here basically we are discussing about the currency topic, that is the currency basically. So here basically we have discussed that how basically the Mumbai blood cells basically was connected, and how basically the Vadodara blood cells was connected. Like this, each and every blood cells basically was connected. Each and everything basically we have discussed, and here we have discussed that also, that how basically the sub blood cells are also basically helping to create the main blood cells. So that means basically one Mumbai blood cells is there. So Andheri blood cells human is also basically there. Andheri blood cells human is also basically created, so that basically the main blood cells is not supposed to get effect. So due to that basically the main blood cells is not supposed to get effect. Due to that basically the currencies basically due to that basically the main blood cells basically is not supposed to get effect. The sub currencies basically sub blood cells basically gets into picture basically. So that basically concept is created like this basically, because this is the only way basically, because you can't basically handle the one person basically can't handle the entire Mumbai, right? One person blood cells basically can't handle the entire Mumbai basically. Then one person told that basically up to what level the blood cells basically can handle. Then one person told that basically entire Mumbai basically blood cells is connected with one of the person, right? Like same way entire India blood cells is also connected with one person, and like same way basically entire world basically blood cells is also connected with one person. So each and every world basically gets the data, and like this basically India blood cells basically is having with one person. He basically do the testing. He basically his blood cells basically are tested by the energy department basically, and then basically the India blood cells doctor is also there. India blood cells basically doctor is also basically there. So like this India blood cells also basically are getting like this connected. So one person told that basically like this basically how many blood cells basically are created. Then he told that basically as much country basically might be there, that much basically minimum basically might have created, and maximum basically that's very difficult to tell basically. And this basically our all are basically creation already done basically. That means this all are basically chained also basically, you can say basically. But every each and every country basically are kept separately, and each and every and countries energies are also basically kept separately. So due to that basically if in future basically if anything happens, then basically it can be tracked very easily. For example, one person told that basically, do you know basically 2 months power supply basically data are passed to city in advance. That means 2 months basically is there basically. In 2 months basically you can basically repair each and everything basically whatever you want, because this power supply is going to happen. So according to that basically you can repair the data basically. So he told that basically yes. So 2 months basically is there basically. So like this he told that basically each and every data basically gets uh, each and every data basically gets repaired. Each and every data gets creates. Each and everything basically are happen is happening basically like this. So he told that basically, so India basically blood cells is there basically. For example, one person is having the India blood cells, so he will be the richest person, right? Because India property basically might be how much basically, you can just imagine. Minimum basically it might be 95 lakh crore dollar or basically pound it might be. So that much basically money he is having in his body basically. So doctor also basically might be according to that only basically. Doctor also basically might be according to that only. 90 lakh dollar basically is the property of India. Just taking as an example, in real basically it might be something else. So the doctor also basically might be according to that only basically. Then he told that yes, exactly basically. So like this basically India blood cells gets repair. India blood cells basically gets modified. India blood cells basically some part basically gets delete. India blood cells basically some parts gets creates. India blood cells basically sometimes gets shares also basically. So that type of things basically also happens basically. Also basically happens like this basically he told that basically when this all basically situation basically gets creates. For example, one person told that basically how basically when the blood cells get deletes basically, that basically if the person for example one person is basically one person for example assume that basically I will take myself as assume that I am going to die, just taking as an example. In real basically it's not like that. assume that I am Sunil R Nair is going to die. So basically whenever he is going to die, so few days before basically the blood cells basically connects to that particular person body basically that he is going to die. So before I die basically the few people basically gets the information that this person is going to die. So like same way basically the each and every people basically are going to die, their basically information basically gets into that particular person's body basically. And why basically this happens, reason basically might be that for example I am staying in Vadodara city, so I am going to die, as in just example basically, in real basically I am not going to die. So he told that basically Vadodara blood cells basically who are basically having the data, he will get information in 2-3 days basically, 2-3 days before basically. For example, uh, today basically or basically tomorrow basically I am going to die. So 2 days before basically he basically gets the data basically. So in next video we are going to discuss a little bit more about this.